Welcome to the Crypto Fubi YouTube channel, where we usually provide the up-to-date situation and condition of the cryptocurrency market. Recently, we saw Bitcoin moving above the prices of 66k and even going to touch 68k. But currently, right now, we can see that Bitcoin is below 60k and is even around the prices of 57k. Now, what are we expecting next? Are we expecting Bitcoin to reverse from here to the upside or to continue to the downside? Now, after watching this video, you should get a better idea of what to expect from Bitcoin in terms of price action. Now, before I move on, I will want you to please take 5 seconds of your time, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get our videos real time as we upload them, and also like our videos. Alright, let's move to the Bitcoin chart. Alright, this is the Bitcoin chart on a daily time frame. This is the Bitcoin chart on a daily time frame, and if you look at this chart, the Bitcoin price was in this triangle, which I told us that we are going to break out. We actually did break out, and we were struggling around these prices of 66k for a very long time. I told us that this neckline is going to serve as a resistance, and we did break above this neckline, but we didn't last out long above this neckline, and we saw Bitcoin breaking down. And we're expecting that for Bitcoin to show us, confirm to us that it will continue to the upside. We're expecting that Bitcoin should break this neckline once again and go above this line and move up. But that was not the case. That didn't happen. And when we didn't see that happen, it was a clear confirmation that we are going to see a reversal to the downside. And again, we're already seeing a very divergence in RSI. And we saw the RSI in our bought territory. So a lot of pointers were there telling us that Bitcoin is about to take some breather. And that was exactly what happened. All right, let us look at some other indicators and what they are telling us. First, let's look at the RSI properly. Now, if you look at the RSI has broken below the 60 RSI line and has also broken below 50 and even broke above 40. But right now, broke below 40. But right now, we're above 40. We don't know how long this will continue, but if this will convince us that Bitcoin is about to resume to the movement to the upside, then we have to see it coming above the 50 line of the RSI. That is that for the RSI. For now, the RSI is showing us the price of Bitcoin is bearish. All right, let's look at the MACD. What is the MACD telling us? The MACD is clearly very bullish. Sorry, very bearish. For Bitcoin, there is no sign of a bottom in here. The Bitcoin price has not hit bottom from what the MACD is telling us, and from what the RSI is also showing to us. So now, one critical thing I want to leave us with here is that we are seeing Bitcoin attempting to move back to the upside. Now, that is a good thing. If Bitcoin moves to the upside and touch this trend line, this white horizontal trend line, which serves as a very serious resistance line for Bitcoin, let's look at how long this line was serving as a resistance for Bitcoin. Look at between March 16 to May 8, this line served as a very serious resistance. Finally, Bitcoin could not break above this horizontal trend line. Bitcoin now took a nosedive, coming to this very critical, dangerous price territory, which caused a lot of people to freak out of the market. But I was screaming out of my voice that this is a gift in this bull market, where you can accumulate as much as possible. For those that miss the earlier prices, that the earlier lower prices earlier, now we move up and we came into this triangle again. Coming to this triangle once again, I knew that we are going to break to the upside, because we saw this trend line. Bitcoin respected this trend line, form a local bottom here, and move back to the upside. All right. Now, when we got here, we entered into this triangle, and I told us clearly that we are going to break out of this triangle. We could not break. We broke out of this triangle finally. But right now, what are we expecting? Now look at this price of Bitcoin here is attempting to come back to this line. It's attempting to come back to this line. If we touch this line and break above this line, oh wow, that would be very good. But if we touch this line and and Bitcoin could not broke above this line, we are going to see a terrible reversal to the downside. We are going to, a terrible reversal to the downside around the price of 53k. So that is what we have to watch out for. So in the next coming days, where our highs is going to be, we are going to be gazing at the price of Bitcoin moving towards this resistance line, which is around 59k. And if we can break above this line, that will be very good. But if we cannot break above this line, expect more downside for Bitcoin. Alright, so that is that for our Bitcoin price action today. I want to thank you for watching this video, and also remember that whatever Bitcoin does will affect the rest of the crypto assets. Bitcoin is the guy that plays the music for the market. The music that Bitcoin is currently playing right now is not in favor of the bulls. The bears are in charge. But if the bulls will take charge of this market at all, then we are going to also update us that the bulls are gradually coming to take over the market. But for now, we are seeing the bears having the day. Thank you very much for watching this video. I want to appreciate you. Once again, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get our videos with time as we upload them. Thank you very much. I want to appreciate you.